Today we learn about square roots. Let's get started. Definition of the square root is square root of a equal to b and equivalent b square equal to a. Example, square root of 9 equal to 3 and equivalent 3 square equal to 9. If a greater than or equal to 0, then square root of a positive number, so that square root of a negative 5 square is equal to 5, not negative 5. Root form in mathematics. It's a form of irrational number. Do you remember what an irrational number is? Irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed in the form a over b, with a and b is integer and b is not equal to 0. Generally, the root form is written n square root of a and called radical. Square root is the symbol root form. N is an index or root range. A is a radical, the number under the radical sign, and a positive or negative real numbers. Example root form: the square root of 2, the square root of 7, the square root of 11. Example not root form: the square root of 4, the square root of 9, the square root of 25, and the cube root of 8. Why the square root of 4 and the cube root of 8 is not root form? Okay, good. Because we note, if the square of a is non-negative number, then the square of a times the square of a to a. A greater than or equal to 0, then the square of a is defined. A is less than 0, then the square of a is not defined. The square root of a never negative, then the square of a greater than or equal to 0. Operation root form 1. Addition and subtraction. If a and c the element for real numbers and b is greater than or equal to 0, apply a square root of b plus c square root of b equal to a plus c the square root of b, and a square root of b minus of 5 and equal to 5 square root 5. over b. A square root of b times c square root of d equal to a times c square root of b times c.